Every year, all over the world, the Church of the Nazarene holds district assemblies, regional events, pastors and leadership summits, etc., where local leaders present really great content. These same leaders spend hours faithfully making presentations to educate the church in their local area. Then the convention ends, and people go home. It's like the fruit was grown and shared, and then dies for no one else to ever see again. But it doesn't have to be this way. Why don't we share this unused fruit to the world? We have the technology right in our pockets. With just a little planning, the church can share this fruit all over the world. Discipleship Video Online is a great place to share these presentations. Unlike YouTube or GodTube, where videos get lost in a sea of other stuff, our dedicated team collects, edits, and shares these videos in a dedicated place, providing a resource for continuing education credits or for church leaders to gain insights from other Nazarene church leaders worldwide. So you can partner with us, or you can watch as we collect videos from all over the world. Join us at discipleshipvideo.online or search Facebook for Discipleship Video Online. DVO, you got this. We can help.